Okay, you can't see it very good in this video, but here I'm taking off the power cable and the command control connector. So it's a 13 millimeter. You can get a shallow well on there, and just take off the electrical connector. Alright, so I got the old one out. I didn't get the video, but if you move this AC line over and zip tie it, and you unhook the power steering line, put your finger over it so it doesn't leak, and put it on the other side of this coolant hose, that frees up this area. Make sure you pull the dipstick out, because this dipstick will snap when you're trying to pull that out. And if you get this off, that's great, pull that off, but at least take off the oil cap. Just less of a chance of stuff breaking. It's a very tight fit. Just be careful of these wires. And what I did is I grabbed it by my hand, pulled it up. I grabbed it by the pulley and pulled it up like this, and it'll fit, just barely, but it fits out of there. Put it back in there the same way. But as I'm pulling it up, I pulled this off it, this idler pulley. Just catch that, it's got bushing here, don't lose the bushing, and just go back in the same way. Alright, got it down in there.